waves undulate towards the shore. I want to see the beach once more. The sound of the seagulls above my head as one lands by my feet, and instead of flying away, the seagull sits beside me today. I share my chips with this beautiful bird. The seagull responds by calling his buddies to herd. They all sit around me in a circle of love to soothe my nerves, as they serve the purpose of the healing ocean, to soothe the nervous notions ready to flow into a subconscious mind, to be so kind. The seagulls meditate with me as I lay back on the sand, on the mountainous desert land. We do not see the people walking by. Me and my seagull friends sigh. This is a moment in time to heal the body and mind of the life-giving neurons of ions flowing into my brain, to continue my sane circumstances of life. We are part of the light shining from the sun's rays. As we lay on the beach today, I sat up to talk to my seagull buds. They look at me in the eye, I sigh. The ocean is a powerful source of positive energy. Let me be. Stay here forever, as you can see. Me and my seagull buddies are as happy as can be. The magic of the seagulls, the waves are mesmerizing buddies of the cocoon of life, of neurons and ions of science and creative universe, to disperse the light, to shine over the circle of seagulls still around me, as the sun shines so brightly, as we breathe the salty air without care. Let me be, the light is so bright, the waves cradle my restless spirit mind, pulling my worries out to sea, dissolving them in endless blue, until all that's left is me. The tension of pain releases into the ocean waves. The waves surround my toes, my body, and woes of yesterday float away into the caves of the inner depths of time and space. My body of disgrace, now it is full of grace, and the spirits of despair have disbanded to another place. I feel the warmth of the sun spreading through my body of life, of energy spreading into a yellow aura from the sun. The seagulls remain the same, full of chips, and remain calm as we lay back down on the sand, to dream, to contemplate our fate as the seagulls stay in our circle.